Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send yourself an email on Outlook on a Mac computer, the year 2026, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Microsoft Outlook. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to New Email, click on this. Increase the size of the email window, and now what we want to do is the recipient will be ourselves, which is admin@ComputerScienceVideos.com. Add a subject, let's just say this is a test email. Let's now go within the email itself and type Dear Admin. This is a test email. Kind regards from the admin. Let's now click on send. This should have sent to ourselves. And there we have it. This is a test. Let's click on that email on screen. Dear admin, this is a test email. Kind regards. Admin, we can reply forward. Or we can go into the sent items to check that sent email, which I previously read out to you on screen. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.